we're back here at the Steel Rubber Products Open House 2018. I'm talking with Tony from Creations by Gemza. I have a few questions for you, sir, if you don't mind.
Absolutely.
Okay, what's your favorite thing about coming to a car show?
It's hard to say my favorite thing because there's so many cool things that happen at a car show, but I guess it would be talking to other car owners and the stories and just getting to look at everybody's different cars and see their creativeness, or if they did an original restoration, you know, just looking at all the cool hot rods.
Gotcha. What is the car that sparked your interest in this industry?
When I was growing up, my dad had a 1967 Plymouth Belvedere. And as a kid, I used to ride around in that car with my brothers, and that would be the car that really sparked my interest. And then him and I did a project car when I was a teenager. It's a 1971 Charger. So between those two cars.
And that's what started it all,
That's what started it all.
That's what started it all. Okay, so you all built this car behind us here. Why don't you tell me a little bit about this car?
It's a 1970 Plymouth Superbird. It came from the factory as a 426 Hemi with a 4-speed, which is very rare. There's only 26 of them left now known to exist. It was restored very OEM correct. So every nut and bolt is how it would have been in 1970, down to the interior is all original. And with Steel Rubber Products, all their rubber components are on the car, and they represent everything as how it was.
Gotcha. Now, what is the importance of good weather stripping in a build like this?
Oh, it's huge. You know, stuff like this, you don't want there to be wind noise here. You know, so if this seal didn't fit right, you're going to get a lot of wind noise as a passenger, and you don't want that. They didn't have it originally, and you don't want it today. Gotcha. So it's very important.
Now, is this your first time at this event?
No, not at all. I've been coming here for years.
Awesome. Well, we certainly appreciate you coming. Thank you so much for everything you do for us and for the industry, and for using Steel Rubber Products.
Thank you, guys.